I heard somebody say hello, Trinitron9. I heard somebody say hello, Trinitron9. Come on back and clean up my radio. Come on back and clean up my radio. I heard you say hello, Trinitron9, while I test my water. Break, break, break. All I got is a whole lot of hash and trash, a whole lot of heterodyning going on in Coney Island. I got a whole lot of hash and trash and a whole lot of heterodyning going on in Coney Island. I would like somebody to clean up my radio. I would like somebody to step up to the water and clean up my radio. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
Hey, Black Tornado, real good time. Hey, Black Tornado, real good time. I was trying to wrap up with one. I don't think who one other battle.
Oh, it's rough out here in Coney Island. I was just going to say good morning, good afternoon. It's rough around Coney Island. Good morning, good afternoon. Trinitron9, Coney Island, playing in my water. And I got all the way down. I hear you coming back to Coney Island, man. I hear you coming back to Coney Island, man, but I need a radio cleanup. Trinitron9 heard you coming back to Coney Island, but can you get back and clean my radio up and let me know what's going on? Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. Hello around Texas. Hello around Texas. Yeah, Trinitron9, Coney Island is my name. Walking on water's my game. Hello around Texas. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. The man in the deep waters of Coney Island. Say good morning, good afternoon, whatever the case may be. And I got all the way down.
In the barn, Big D Dallas back.
Hey, Dirty Red, Big D Dallas, you making a whole lot of noise also in Coney Island. Hey, Dirty Red, Big D Dallas, you making a lot of noise on my Coney Island radio. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. Yeah, y'all jumping up and down like James Brown. You're in and out of my radio. You're heterodyning. All that good stuff. 13. I didn't get all your numbers out there in the horn, but I know you said 13 something. And then that Dirty Red. I don't know what's going on, man. I'm going to keep my ear to the water out here in Coney Island. I'm just going to keep my ear to the water. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. The man in the deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
Same to you, preacher. Same to you, preacher. Same to you, man. God bless you and yours. Have a safe Super Bowl weekend. And hey, no doubt about it. Hello, Small. Where you working at, Glenn?
Hello, radio. I want to know if I can get a Coney Island radio clean out. I want to know if I can get my Coney Island radio cleaned out, man. Y'all jumping up and down like James Brown, making a lot of noise in my deep waters. Hello, radio. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got down?
Trailblazer, I'm gone.